What's up, guys? It's Dylan here with JeepGuysOnline, and this video is going to be pretty sick because it's a really cool product we're putting on the Jeep today. It's the Clearlidz clear top for the front two Freedom panels for the JL. This is going to be a really awesome video, just let alone the product makes it an awesome video. I have had it on the Jeep so far for a day now, just to test it and make sure that this video should be made, and yes, it has. So the video is going to act like it's going to be kind of backwards, but everything's going to be in order. Regardless, we're doing the install now, and we're going to get into that. It's very simple, so just stick around for 5 minutes and check this product out. I'm super excited to show you guys how it works, and I'm super excited to show you guys the content we're going to create with having a clear top on the JL. We'll see you soon. All right, so the clear top itself is going to come with 4 of these bolts. They are hand screwed in, and it's going to come with 2 spacers that look like this. These are foam spacers that fit perfectly. Oh, these are backwards, sorry. They fit perfectly onto the Jeep itself with no issues. It is form fitted. So there'll be one on this side and one on the driver's side. And then the 4 screws, like I said here, that go up through these holes here. So let's start putting the top on and we'll show you how this thing works. All right, guys, so as you can see on the inside of this, this says PSJL, meaning passenger side JL. The driver's side one would have the same thing on the other side. There's only one way that this can lay flat, and it is just like this. So if you're having issues putting this on, you either have it backwards or you have it upside down. Once you get this on, now you can throw the clear top over top of this and start latching and screwing it down. So let's get into that now. Alrighty, so the top is now placed on top of the Jeep. You're gonna wanna make sure that this seal is even around here, that this seal is underneath of the top and not up inside, and that the front windshield seal is pushed down and not up on top of the lid. So you can see how that spacer works perfectly here. Now we're gonna get into latching it down on the inside here, which is the 4 in the middle and then the 2 on the back, or the front, I'm sorry, which are the same exact latches that you would use using your Freedom tops or your soft top on the Jeep. All right, so you latch them down and then you turn these guys just like you would on the regular top of your Jeep. And that's almost done. It's that fast. So now we're gonna take these screws here and you're gonna put them up through these holes and they will thread right into the bolts. There are 2 on each side. All right, guys, so once you get those threaded in, you're gonna wanna tighten down so that the top is snug to the Jeep and that everything looks good.
Shake test. Solid chain going on.
Not going anywhere. So we are tightened down, the top is on. And as you can see, I mean, it's pretty simple. It's a clear top that replaces the Freedom panels on the Jeep. Is it worth the money? I don't know. You guys will have to get it and try it out. I think it is. I did drive with it earlier today, and I noticed that the heat inside of the cabin was a little tiny bit, but it wasn't bad enough to like complain about it because it is a Jeep. I mean, I'm not driving a Mercedes-Benz here. So was it hot? No. Was I sweating? Absolutely not. But I could feel warmth, should I say. So I just put the AC on as usual. It's a really hot day. It's 90 degrees out, by the way, in Maryland right now. Put the AC on and took care of it. So we'll see. This is one of the hottest days in Maryland right now, but we'll see what it looks like in the winter and all of that. Videos will be coming soon about all of that. But as far as it goes, this thing's pretty awesome. And it looks factory. That's my favorite part. Like it doesn't look all weird and stuff. You can see it matches the aerodynamics from the top. It doesn't crush down. It's just a perfect fit. They did a really good job with this top here. I'm super excited to make content, actually go off-roading with it. Be pretty cool to be like off-roading in the woods and seeing all the trees and stuff above you, mud, you know, dirt, rain, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, it's pretty sick. All right, guys, I'm in the car wash with the Jeep, and we're gonna see how the Clearlidz does. I installed it and it's pretty tight. It rained last night. There was like one little drip, but we're gonna see like where it's coming from. Again, it could be me installing it wrong or something, but let's see. My only worry is that it might leak from these things here, because that's the only spot it can leak. But we'll see. All right, the high pressure comes. All right, guys, that is the install video for the Jeep clear tops. I really like it. It's so simple. I really thought I'd be out here like sweating and putting it on, but no, it's literally 4 bolts, 4 pre-threaded bolts. You don't need nuts or anything like that. 4 pre-threaded bolts and then the factory latches. So it truly can't get easier than that. I really hope you guys think about it and maybe one day get one of these. But as far as that goes, I'm gonna post some pictures of the clear top on the Jeep following this, just kind of how everything sits and things like that. I know the video got a little blurry. Sometimes we had low light in this garage here, but we'll see you guys next time, and everything will be linked below in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you can, just leave a like, leave a comment, just tell me what you think, you know, because this is why we do it. We want to just see what people think of our videos. So we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.